From the roaring V12 engines of Maranello to the hybrid hypercars redefining speed, Ferrari has always been a symbol of passion, performance, and prestige. But now, whispers are spreading across the automotive world about a mysterious new model set to arrive in 2026, the Ferrari F725. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most talked about rumors in the supercar world, the 2026 Ferrari F725. Is it real? Is it coming? Or is this just another wild concept born from the imaginations of designers and fans? Let's separate fact from fiction. First things first, as of today, there is no official confirmation from Ferrari that a car called the F725 is coming in 2026. In fact, if you dig through Ferrari's press releases, product roadmaps, or even their recent announcements, the name F725 doesn't show up anywhere. Now, here's where things get interesting. There is a Ferrari that makes 725 horsepower, the Purosangue. It's Ferrari's first ever four-door SUV. Yes, an SUV powered by that glorious, naturally aspirated V12 engine. Some people are speculating that the 725 in the rumored F725 could be a nod to the Purosangue's power output. But make no mistake, the Purosangue is not called the F725. That name hasn't come from Maranello. Oh, where did the name F725 come from? Well, some concept art floating around online might give us a clue. A digital artist named Giorgi Teodorosi created stunning renderings of what a future mid-engine Ferrari could look like. And he gave it the nameplate Ferrari F725. These images are sleek, aggressive, and unmistakably Ferrari. They feature a sharp, angular design language, active aerodynamics, and that signature low-slung silhouette. But again, this is fan-made, not factory-approved. Ferrari does have big plans for 2026. They've confirmed that they'll unveil their first all-electric vehicle in spring 2026, with deliveries starting later that year. And in 2025, they're expected to reveal 6 brand new models. One of those is rumored to be the Ferrari F80, which would be the spiritual successor to the LaFerrari, a next-gen hybrid hypercar. Could the F725 be a lower-tier sibling to that? Possibly, but again, nothing official. The F725 may not exist yet, but the idea behind it absolutely does. Ferrari is evolving. They're pushing boundaries with electrification, expanding their lineup, and exploring new design languages. Whether it's called the F725 or something else entirely, the next wave of Ferraris is going to be revolutionary. So is the 2026 Ferrari F725 real? Probably not. At least, not by name. But the spirit of the F725, a high-performance, mid-engine, possibly electrified Ferrari, is very much alive. If Ferrari does decide to drop a surprise in 2026, we'll be the first to cover it. Until then, keep dreaming, keep driving, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and let us know. What do you want to see from Ferrari in 2026?